Hey guys, this is Inferno Bird here, and I have got a treat for you. I am going to be putting my Galaxy S3 into some water, which is pretty much what I really wish I wouldn't do because it's just one of those things. But yeah, I'm going to put this Samsung Galaxy S3 in water with help from the iOttie waterproof skin. So it's going to prove to be pretty interesting. Let's check it out. Alright, so gonna unbox that, make sure it all comes out. So, following the instructions carefully, we want to insert the device into the waterproof skin through this little hole right here. And I'm taking it out of my OtterBox, which is making me very precarious of it. So, here we go. I'm going to put it in face first through this little opening. Okay. It's actually kind of difficult, really. I feel like I'm going to stretch this thing out, but they said it was durable enough to take it, so I'm going to put it all the way inside there. See that it fits snugly. So there we go. And oops, turn that off. And it fits all the way up and around. Like, come on. This is very difficult. Alright, so now, in there, most of the way. Make sure. Something's wrong. This is very difficult. Hold on. Part of it didn't come with it. This part right here. There we go. Alright, now it's all in there. Wow. Okay, so now that we're in, we drop it. No, don't drop it. That was terrible. Golly, that was difficult. But anyway, all your buttons should work still. And we are completely sealed off from the world and should be able to now take one of the, let's see, that's my OtterBox, or at least part of it. I'm going to take one of these little wet indicators and put it right, I think I'm going to put it right dead center of the opening. Take one of these strips right here, and golly, did I stretch it out too much? Hope not. Okay, let's see. One of these strips right here, smoothing it out. I'm going to take it and place it on the opening to completely seal it. So there we go. And there it is. It is now completely sealed inside some plastic. And it's still functional, still can work. So there's no worries about that. And there we go. I guess I will now put in some water. Oh, I'm so scared. Anyway, let's go turn and test it out. Okay, so here we go. Here I got a nice sink full of, room temperature water. And my Samsung Galaxy S3. I am so scared to put this in there right now. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, it goes against everything I know about cell phones and everything. Oh man. But here we go. Alright, so I'm going to keep the screen on. And I'm going to put this in the water. Ah! There we go, guys. It is in there. Looks like the screen doesn't like to work underwater. So maybe that's a check minus for that one. But it looks like it's still sealed off. Still good to go, which is wicked awesome. As soon as I bring it out of the water, the screen seems to work fine. Let's try the camera. I'll see if I can switch the video to the Samsung Galaxy S3 view. So here we go. I'm gonna start recording, and we're going in. Boom. In the water. Alright, so there you go, guys. Seems to work just fine, and seems like I'm still safe. Yeah? Yep. It's all good. Oh, okay. Different video. Alright, so let's see. And we're going in. In the water. Alright, there it is. So once again, for the dunking, here we go. Here you go. Ready? I'm just gonna drop it in there now. Boosh! Splashing stuff everywhere. And of course the touchscreen does not work underwater, guys. So if you were hoping to take some pictures and whatnot underwater, it looks like that won't be possible. It looks like you have to video and whatnot, but the touchscreen does not work underwater. As soon as you bring it out of water, it does work though. You press menu. So I mean, yeah, everything works out of the water, just not inside the water. But there you go, guys. The dunking of the Samsung Galaxy S3. But I have more ideas to come. So if you want to see those videos to come that I have grand ideas for, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+, and give me a thumbs up. And I appreciate it, guys. I'll include a link in the description where you can get your own iOttie waterproof skin case on Amazon. Anyway, peace out. Oh, and those that were wondering like what it's like to take it back out of the case after you dunked it, I'll show you that right now. Everything seems like dry as a bone, so I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, there you go. Everything is really, really dry. Like there's no wetness on it at all whatsoever. Like I don't really know how to show dryness, but I mean, it is dry, it is working, it's fine. The audio is working, I believe. Yeah, well, I mean, I hear the sound effects of the buttons I'm pressing. Right here, let's test the audio. Alright, so that sounds all good. Everything works, everything's fine. So, there we go. There you go, guys. Anyway, thank you again.